Hello! So, basically, this is my Easter look part 2. I don't know, I can't stop being colorful. Can't stop, won't stop. So if you want to see how I got this eye look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Here's my thing, here's my plan, here's what I wanted to do. I was gonna do like flowers, but I thought maybe I did like too much on my eyes and I didn't want to ruin the look, and I got a little scared. So I just did this. It's kind of like part 2 of my Easter look. I don't know, let me show you. I'm digging this and I just want to keep using it. I don't know what else to use it for, so I've just been like trying to play around and create like colorful looks. I don't know. If you guys enjoyed watching it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to chit chat in the comment section below, just leave a comment, or if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave them all in the comments below. I try to respond to every single comment that's left for me. Please subscribe to my growing YouTube channel. It would be much appreciated, and plus it's way more easier than having to type my name in. If you're just already subscribed, all my new videos are popped up in your subscription box. And if you want to take it one step further, hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified every single time I upload. That way you never miss out on any of my future videos. And like always, if you share this post on any of my social media platforms, I shout you out in a future video. So speaking of that, I want to shout somebody out super quickly. This shout out counts as all the other shout outs. It's just weird because it like involves me. And it's basically my fan page that someone created. And it's k.squad_fan_page_. And someone literally just like made a fan page. I don't know, it's not, there it is. Okay, so somebody literally made a fan page like dedicated to like me, and I don't know. They always hype me up and they're always just literally the sweetest. So it just makes my day. So please, they shouted me out in the last video, so please go follow them. Like, I'm just blessed. I'm just so happy and so blessed. Definitely give that a follow. The username's gonna be in the description box below. So yeah, so basically that's the end of this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.